In the last video, we installed Power BI Desktop, explored the interface, and even built our first visualization. Today, we're going to take the next step, connecting Power BI to different data sources. After all, without data, there's nothing to visualize. This lesson is all about learning how to bring your data into Power BI so you can transform it into insights. Power BI is powerful because it can connect to hundreds of different data sources. These include simple files like Excel spreadsheets, cloud services like Google Analytics, and enterprise systems like SQL Server. Understanding how to connect, preview, and load your data is the foundation of every Power BI project. Once you know this, you can start modeling and analyzing data confidently. Let's first look at the types of data sources available. File-based sources like Excel, CSV, XML, or JSON. Databases such as SQL Server, Oracle, or MySQL. Online services like SharePoint, Dynamics 365, and Google Analytics. And even web and APIs, where you can pull data directly from websites or REST APIs. Let's try some examples. First, connecting to an Excel file. Click Get Data, then Excel, choose your file, and Power BI will show you the navigator window with tables and sheets. You can load directly or transform the data before importing. Next, connecting to a CSV file. Click Get Data, text CSV, pick your file, preview it, and load. CSVs are common when exporting data from other systems. Now let's connect to a SQL Server database. Click Get Data, SQL Server, enter your server and database name. Choose Authentication and Connect. You'll see tables in the navigator again. Load the ones you need. Finally, connecting to a website. Get Data, Web, paste the URL, and Power BI will scan the page for tables. You can load one directly into your report. When loading data, you might see Import Mode versus DirectQuery. Import brings a copy of the data into Power BI, which is fast for small data sets. DirectQuery leaves the data in the source system and queries it live, better for very large data sets, but sometimes slower. For beginners, import mode is usually best. A quick workflow example. Load an Excel file with sales data, a CSV with customer info, and a SQL table with product details. They all appear as separate tables in Power BI, ready to be modeled. In the next video, we'll use Power Query Editor to clean and transform this data. Let's recap. You learned the different types of sources Power BI can connect to. You practiced connecting to Excel, CSV, SQL Server, and web data. You learned the difference between import and direct query, and you saw how to combine multiple sources. With this skill, you can pull data from almost anywhere into Power BI. In the next video, we'll dive deeper into the Power Query Editor to clean and prepare your data for analysis. See you there.